Callahan Beekeeping Homestead here. This is our next project coming up. I just made a little mini smokehouse. I may have a short on here, but I've got a full video I'm going to put on. And but this is going to be an observation hive. We're going to put it in that building right there. There's a window. It's almost a perfect view. It's going to be kind of right in between that window, and that way they can get some daylight sun. But this is going to consist of 3 layers. We've already figured all this out, and I'm hoping this is, if it's too tall, I may have to cut it down. So we may have to go with, instead of 10 medium rows, we're going to go with 9. Because height difference inside the building. But anyway, we're going to have 9 deeps and 27 to 30 mediums when it's all built and ready to go. I'll have to route the inside edge here, right here. I'll have to route that all the way around once I built the frame of it, and plexiglass is going to sit down and recess into it, and then I'll be able to screw it in, and that way if somebody needs to inspect it or something, you pull the plexiglass off and have at it. Any suggestions y'all want to make before I start building this, put it in the comments please. Like and subscribe, and I'll either probably do videos of progress on this as it's upcoming. But until next time, have a good one.